Once the bank statements have been processed, you can review and export them. To view bank statements, please click here on View Data button. Select the bank that you want to review. Now in these statements, you can see the bank's name, start date, end date, opening and closing balance. You can download the CSV from here. It can be in Zero format or QuickBook format or just a general format. The specific thing with Zero and QuickBook formats is that you can upload them with this accounting software without manual editing. To review the complete file, click on the green icon here, where you can see the complete lines that have been extracted as well as the original document that was uploaded by you. You can delete the document. You can also reject it if you want ReceiptBot to further correct it. You can edit the document and you can save it. And you can also download it to CSV in any of these three formats. To download all of these three bank statements in one Excel file, you select all these files from here and click on Download CSV. The data from all these three statements will be downloaded to one CSV file. Thank you.